I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're dealing with a transfer pending status on Afterpay, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your order details. Double check the order associated with the pending transfer. Ensure that the order was completed successfully and that there are no issues with the merchant. Step 3. Refresh your Afterpay app. Sometimes the app may not update automatically. Close the app completely and reopen it to refresh the data. This can resolve minor glitches. Step 4. Contact Afterpay support. If the issue persists, reach out to Afterpay's customer support. Provide them with your account details and the specific transaction to expedite the process. Step 5. Wait for processing. After contacting support, be patient. Transfers can take a little time to process, especially during peak periods. Keep an eye on your account for updates. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue smoothly. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed.